Here we are again, maintenance Matt today here, helping with the bathtub, shower. Plumber tile guy didn't put this on right, so it was leaking, it was turning, it wasn't soldered right. Plumber came in, redid that. Tile guy flaked out and didn't come back, so I'm gonna button this thing back up and give you a little lowdown on what it's gonna take. Things aren't always what it seems, and you run into all kinds of problems. So let's see what we run into. All right, there. That was cutting out this other little tile broken piece. Kind of a pain, but you got to be careful so you don't crack and break the other ones. It's a little challenging sometimes, but you're always up for a good challenge, eh? So now I'm gonna go cut my backer board piece. I got some 1/4 inch hardy backer right here. Get a piece cut, do some measurements. This piece was broke and that piece was broke. So instead of my original rectangle piece, now I got not so rectangle piece. Let me go cut this stuff, get a drill back in, mortar this up, get some tile pieces going and cut, and we'll start putting this thing back together again. So here it is. I took 2 pieces, got them in there, drilled my holes for pipes, and I caulked my seams just to help keep everything watertight behind the tile. And I'm gonna let that dry up, come back and throw some mortar behind all that and start laying a few tile. All right, I'm back. Second day on this little tile job I decided I could put back together. So got my backer board in yesterday, got all that stuff, caulked it all in, keep it nice. Now today I'm cutting some tiles. Drilling this hole was pretty fun. My tile cutter. Also, I'll show you guys what I'm cutting this tile with. Not your traditional tile saw, but it's what I had. I'm trying to stay low on the budget, so I wasn't gonna buy a new saw. I had a blade for my grinder, so I'll show you how I'm cutting that, and it works really good on not chipping edges. And I noticed with my tile saw I got from Harbor Freight, I was chipping edges. I also got a Dremel I was using to try it out. It was chipping edges. Just getting real hot. So like I said, I'll show you that. But I had a good trick for drilling the hole into the tile. So when I walk out there, I'll show you the jig I made for that. I've already gotten a bunch of pieces cut now. Real nice. So I'll get my other couple pieces cut. We'll put some mortar behind that, start slapping them up, let it dry, do some grout. Come on, baby, let's go show these people something. All right, here's my little setup here, but here's the tile chipping I was talking about. Right on the edge here from my little Dremel. So I switched over to this mean little machine. It's gonna kind of sketchy, but that's what I'm about. It's sketchy sometimes. When I did my hole, I took my bit, drilled into a piece of wood first, set the piece of wood over my tile.
Good job, Kay. Yeah, and then now make a circle on the half circle.
Clamped it where I wanted to, and then set this up so you can see here.
Come check it out. Good job, Kay. Nice.
Real nice, no chips around the edges. Otherwise, if you try to just start this thing, you're gonna mess up the piece. So this is how I'm gonna cut it.
Look at the tail on our back.
Alright, here's how I'm cutting my tile. A little sketchy, but with a steady hand, works real nice. Minimal chipping on the edges. You can come back, touch it up a little. That's great. Nice way to do it.